You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast where global moves meet personal journeys. Brought to you by SDC International Shipping. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a rising trend that's reshaping neighborhoods across America. The wave of Russians moving to the United States in 2025. It's more than a move. For many Russians, 2025 isn't just another year. It's a turning point. From young professionals escaping restrictive work environments to families seeking better futures and retirees joining loved ones abroad. This isn't just relocation, it's reinvention. Russia's economic instability, tightening freedoms, and global tensions have made the U.S. a beacon of opportunity, safety, and promise. But make no mistake, this move is emotionally complicated. It's about more than borders. It's about belonging. New lives and new landscapes. Top U.S. destinations like Florida, North Carolina, California, and New York are drawing Russian expats. Why? Vibrant Russian-speaking communities, better schools, affordable housing, and strong job markets. Take Sergey and Alina from St. Petersburg. When their tech careers were threatened by new censorship laws, they made the leap. Today, they're thriving in Charlotte, North Carolina, working remotely, raising their kids, and building a new community. Finding unity in division. Despite headlines of geopolitical conflict, many Russians and Ukrainians in the U.S. are forming deep friendships. They share meals, celebrate holidays, and support each other. Anya from Moscow and Katya from Kyiv met in Florida and became inseparable. Their story reminds us home isn't just where you live, it's who you share it with. Citizenship and the American dream. For many, the journey ends with U.S. citizenship. It's a symbol of acceptance, security, and a fresh start. Like Victor and Dasha, who arrived on a work visa and became citizens in 2024. Their message, we finally belong. At SDC, we understand that moving isn't just about boxes. It's about lives. That's why we offer door-to-door shipping, air and sea freight options, real-time tracking, packing, crating, and storage, custom clearance expertise, and comprehensive insurance for peace of mind. If you're a Russian family planning your U.S. move in 2025, start today. Planning ahead gives you more choices and fewer surprises. Call us at 877-339-0267 or get a free quote at sdcinternationalshipping.com. Thanks for listening. Wherever your journey takes you, SDC International Shipping is here to help you get there safely, smoothly, and with heart. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep moving forward.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.